All right. Good morning, everyone. Thank you so much for tuning in to another stream. If you guys are new here, in the morning we go over the pre-market levels, see what we can do going into the New York session, and we'll start off here on the 12-hour. At night we do a review of the whole day, so tune into those streams as well. But in the morning, right, take a look at those levels that we had in the past, or the levels that price has acted in. Oh, I see Mr. Hayes coming down here too. Oh, is he gonna join us for the stream? Oh shit. Oh shit. Guten Tag, sir. Guten fucking Tag. Might be a second before he logs in here, but Mr. Hayes is in the house. Let me get on the Discord. Is that they can hear? Right now, looking at this 12-hour level, this 25,193.75 price currently. This has acted as previous resistance, and we are at it right now. And you can see it is on the 5-minute. There's something to watch for right now. We were looking also on the 4-hour beforehand, so you can see price has swept the bottom of this previous candle. We also tapped into that previous daily high. Let me turn off this volume stuff for right now. There you go. Okay. Cool. So we need to get above this previous 4-hour closing price, which is at 25,197. So if price can get up through that, we can see that continuation, possibly see that outside candle right on the 4-hour, because we do still have that 25,310 up top and that previous weekly high. So that's going into there. On terms of the hourly, we saw a nice little rising 3 right here. So you can see prices staying within the range of this candle, and then we get that continuation to the upside. Oh, fuckers. Golly. That was a good sneeze. So that's what we're watching right there, right? We're still inside this fair value gap. Price is still just kind of in here. Maybe we come down, sweep this 25, this previous hourly low, and then we get an outside candle. Who knows? We're just watching how it's acting around here. And I'll put the volume on and show you guys right now. Right, we have this giant over here. This is why we're seeing so much consolidation. But through here, after these levels, we won't see anything up above over here, as we didn't see much trading. So once we get above these levels, we can see a nice just cruise to the top over here. This 25, 65, 75 is going to be a good point of rejection if we get up there. Something to watch for. In terms of the 15-minute, watching here, we have an SFP right there. So typically on those SFPs, we see reversal or rejection. So as long as that's holding, we can see maybe a retrace into the London range liquidity or a London range OTE. We still have a fair value gap on the downside right here at that 25,154.50. We also have another really good one over here at that 25,093.25. Lines up pretty nicely right there with this London session manipulation, because you can see price on the 5-minute, we did off of our daily plan, right? Typically it's kind of depends on how price is, but judging based off our daily plan, New York or London session did kind of look like it manipulated price to the top, but Asian session did not consolidate quite enough, right? This is more of an expansion during the Asian session. So London, we can take it as a range, right? You can see, yeah, we kind of stayed between the range right there. So going into the New York session, we can see an expansion continuation. Would want to see, this is not a price will do that kind of thing, but a good thing for it to do would be a pull back into the OTE somewhere over here to manipulate to the downside, and then continuation higher. That's what I would be watching for if I'm looking at longs, and that's what I got on these NQ levels. And we're gonna stay on, just watch price, see what's happening here. DE just had its earning calls, I believe too. It's 5.6% down after the earnings call. Yeah, I saw that notification. I was like, son of a fucking bitch. Yeah, there's that ugly ass fucking 4 a.m. candle sweep at the top, retrace back into this range. So we'll see how they open it up, but we're gonna be opening up around 468. So on the daily, it's gonna be, oh fuck, God, that's ugly. Ugh, that's disgusting. Why? Come on, DE, you fucking bitch. I have fucking faith in you. So this weekly's gonna look a lot uglier now.
Yeah, if you look daily, we did sweep into that down to the left.
Oh, there's Mr. Haste.
Expected from before.
Make sure they can hear you. Speaketh.
Hello.
Okay, cool. Hear you. No. Can
We
see
do a
you.
little trolling. It's called we do a little trolling.
Okay.
Womp womp.
Yeah, DE on the daily. There were equal highs at like 499 that we swept yesterday.
499. Yeah, these two guys. God,
And it's kind of like a huge imbalance right there.
that'd be so fucking gross. Come on, DE, you fucking.
But hey, they can still bounce it. Like
Yeah.
that key level I had was 480. If they can just hold above that.
This monthly looks really strong though. That's my big thing. Like as long as this monthly is closing above this fair value gap, that's what we're looking for. Right now in Q, I'm looking at this 5-minute fair value gap as well. See what price wants to do within here, as they can give us a little something. Right there's your OTE range on the 5-minute. We also have that 15-minute projection. Does line up pretty nicely with this fair value gap. Doesn't have to come down all the way over here, but as a precautionary measure, we have that there. Like we said, it does not have to go all the way to that because we've displayed so many levels. You can see that we swept the previous daily high, came back, retested it, so now it's looking like it wants to continue to the upside to that 25,310, that previous weekly high. Those are the levels that we're going to be watching if price continues to rise here. There's your 4-hour candle too. Nice, good old, big old wick to the downside. Let's see.
Yeah, that I've been watching Dixie too on the daily. It's holding this daily FVG. Swept previous day low too. If they do want to reverse Dixie back up.
Oh, Dixie. It's right there. Maybe stream for you. That used to be strange being here in the morning with me. Pleasure having you, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, Dixie. Dang, it's came into that fair value gap pretty nicely. Just waiting to see what they want to do out here. What do they do overnight? Yeah, big ol' fucking stretches out here today.
But like that, I don't know. With that swing failure pivot, lack of displacement above, I almost think this like just fails down.
Yeah. Yeah, I can be watching that weekly. Tapped into these levels. No previous weekly high sweep, but like I said, that is not necessary. Monthly though. With that monthly. Actually, monthly could do another leg. Yeah, let's see. I want to see what they do out here. On this bitch. Rivian. How did Rivian do overnight? Any surprises? Oh, okay, Rivian. And the same thing over here. So you see some crypto. I was looking at it. It's been just.
I forgot there was one that I was going to talk about yesterday and forgot to look at it. What was it? Pendle.
Pendle. Candle. Yeah, that one looks good.
The Coinbase one looks better. The Coinbase chart, like that left wick doesn't exist
I like this
on
one.
a lot of shit. Yeah.
That's where they fucking liquidated everybody that was in.
Yep. On leverage.
Bat is fucking cooking it up, dude.
Dude, I know that structure on the daily is never. It's kind of ugly though. That daily chart.
Yeah. Fucking upset with myself. I'll sell that bitch off. I was like, oh. Sad. Yeah, a lot of I just saw a lot of like this reversing during the midnight going into the New York session, so we'll see. I'm probably gonna be staying out still for majority of these coins.
Yep.
As good as they look, next month again is where I will want to see what happens and what price wants to do. Because I'm not playing around on this.
Yeah. And it's ones like Soul, like I marked out that daily CISD that we need to clear, and it's like we tapped it to the tick.
Yeah. Yep.
And now
Yep.
rejecting it.
Yep. There it is.
So until that gets cleared up, I mean, they can reject. That's where they love to reject. That's why we mark those levels.
Mm-hmm. Well, it's almost like, you know, how typically the manipulation goes like, okay, cool, you get one leg, we might come back, retest it, then we do a double take sweep, and then that gives us continuation. So maybe this is what they want to do right there. Like another sweep into that. Like inverse head and shoulders kind of look.
Yep.
That's what I'd be watching for. Oh.
NQ.
Huh?
NQ.
Mm-hmm.
Craziness. Over the 200 EMA now too.
Yeah. Over the 1552, that's our little trend indicator. You can see that we even came back, retested it, bounced on it. And then we continued to the upside. And over here in the past, right, we bounced on it, rose up, but then right back through it. And you can see how heavy that gets once we're below it. So now that we're cooked through it, retested it, that showed, okay, well, it's more than likely support now. We're looking a little better to the upside.
Massive ranges.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, this is, yeah, these weeklies, fuck it, or even dailies. I wonder what the daily average now is on it.
Even to put your stop under this 4-hour low is like 100 points.
Yeah, it's fucking insane. It's like, what the fuck are we doing here? The VIX gotta be just fucking up there.
I don't know.
Asian range. Where do I have that daily range confluence? As this indicates swing fairly pivot HD. Forgot what this one did. See what the crack confluence says. Yeah, crack confluence is getting up there. Hourly good too. See that bounce. If you guys have not checked out Cracked, CRAK on Twitter, go check him out. Awesome fucking indicators by the guy. See, 1 minute, 3 minute, 15 minute. Still just kind of out here.
If you haven't tried out smoking crack, you should continue not trying that out.
I thought that was going to go completely the other way.
Nope.
Yeah, if you've never tried it, don't bother. It's not fun. don't even bother trying it. It's not as good as they say it is.
ENA.
ENA.
Still good. Yeah.
Good continuation.
No, doesn't look good. No.
Oh.
Daily looks horrible. Like that. Pull that up once. Got the daily CISD. Reached above on this new daily candle and now failing back under the open. Not
right
good.
There. Yeah.
Not a good look.
Previous daily high sweep and then just fucking gush it to the downside. It's like, okay. That's why I was like, yeah, I don't want to take anything huge out here on anything because Bitcoin.
Yeah.
And the way these weeklies opened up, right? Like, yeah, it can give a solid bounce for us into that session, but
Yeah. It's kind of like,
after that,
dude, with the dailies like that, if we are trending up and a new daily candle opens and it goes above the previous daily high, you don't want to see that fall back below the daily open after that.
Does.
And you should not be longing if it does fall back below the daily open until it's reclaimed, because it's just the daily's going to expand easier the opposite direction after it flips that open.
Yeah. It's gonna be nasty. Just to do that. Let's see, we got 1 minute before the open. Here. 1 minute, 1 minute. See what they do here. Just looking decent. 15 looks good. The retap of that CISD right there. Continuation to the upside. They always open at the 15 up with a open high or open low. High closed, open high, low close. So watch out and see what those levels want to do. If we manipulate to the downside first, then watch out for expansion and where we're tapping into. Especially they like to pull them back into an important level and bounce it out of there for that first 5 minutes or first 15 minutes. And then if we manipulate to the upside and don't hold right, they leave a wick for you to play off of. Or also it's important to just keep that higher time frame in mind. Like you can see we're watching that hourly right there, 15. And there's that open. Tap of that CISD. Let's see if this CISD is going to hold. What price wants to do out of it. So realistically, we need to continue above that previous hourly high. Just sitting, where's that? 25, 191.75. $25. 114. Can't I see that level? It's right there. Or 25 to 2050. 25 to 2050. Right there. Right? There's the sweep of that London session high. And like I said, it's the expansion to the upside. Right? They came back, manipulated that first. Tap of the CISD. Now we're getting that continuation. And we need to stay above this level in order for us to continue to the upside. So now the level that we're watching is going to be right there. This little double top, right? Stay above that. We'll continue to the upside. But I'm gonna get some strength in her. Popping that thing.
Yeah. Easier to take the continuation than try to find a reversal on half of these.
Yeah.
4 hour outside, they want at least that 25 310.
Yep. Yeah, 25, 30, 10 is what we got out here too.
They're hunting.
They're freaking gushing this thing. Like we said, right? Retest off that CISD, and then there's that pop we talked about.
That 200 EMA test 2 on the 4 hours. Perfect.
200, I got that 1550 or something. Yeah. All right, in that area of previous rejection.
Yeah, let's look at some donkeys. What are we looking like? Oh my god, that auto desk gap up. Holy.
What the fuck? Oh, they got earnings too. God.
And look at ANF. ANF flips previous quarter 50% here. This thing can just rip face.
Holy fuck. You know, you dirty, dirty girl. You dirty, dirty girl.
Play to beautiful bottoming formation on play.
Play goddamn. DE, let's see what the fuck they did to DE. 5% down. God.
And zoom.
God.
Or ZS. That's ZS, not zoom. Never mind.
Wait a minute. This kid, holy fucking shit. Gushers. Gushers.
There's
Rivian, what are you doing, Rivian? DG, still kind of Riven. See, Rivian needs to continue to hold so that we can get her upside on this weekly. This weekly needs to see a solid gusher if that's what we want for it to do. Should we get that? Riven.
I don't want to say it, but I'm going to say it.
What's up?
Rivian's such a piece of shit stock.
Dude. Dude. Come on. Come on.
It just doesn't ever do anything.
It is. It is. It is. It is. I'm right there with you.
I've been trying to trade it since I started trading, and it just never does anything.
Okay, we had some good calls on it, though. Like, off of
Yeah.
here. Those calls were good.
It definitely just pops and then gives everything away.
It does do that. It does do that. It has a habit of doing that. It tends to do it just a little bit. But don't worry about it. Don't worry about it.
Just don't look at it.
Just don't look at it. It comes back every time. Like, you see, came back right there. It comes back every time without failure. RPD. I saw RPD was looking pretty decent with this bottom right there. Rapid. RPD, RCL. These are weeklies, daily. Goes daily. RPD, this little like consolidating run to the top is a little sussy on RPD with the Octa. Okay, love is looking fucking fantastic. This retrace right there was good.
That's another thing too. Just like looking at NQ 3 month, just not anything bearish about this yet.
Yeah. NQ 3 month. Yeah, this 3 month looks fucking insane. Wonder how they open that yearly. If they manipulate the yearly down, just fucking. That'd be crazy.
Yeah, because we reclaimed that 3 month open really quickly after that drop. I love opening prices more than anything.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, if I had to like pick 2 things to trade with, it would be the opening prices and previous day high and low.
And Rivian.
And Rivian. Just longing Rivian. Got
Look at that
ICP.
manipulation. What did we talk about here? All right.
ICP hourly looks really good still.
There's that manipulation. All right. So we have the manipulation on the 15. to the top. Seeing what this 5-minute wants to do here. I guess this thing right back to the upside. What the fuck they're doing here? Do we have news? We got news today. Unemployment claims already came out. Okay. Now look at that 15-minute CSD holding right there. So if we're looking for anything within the range, we kind of want this to break. Our price needs to retest that, right? Retest at that 12-hour level. So now we're watching and seeing what it wants to do. Like we mentioned earlier, we're coming back into that previous rejection zone right there, that previous fair value gap. That price kept on rejecting. So that's what we would need to get through.
Wait, there's 10 a.m. red folder.
10 a.m. red folder? Australia.
Core PCE.
Or USD.
Yeah.
Do you have the proper month pulled up?
I don't know. I use 2 degrees news indicator.
I'm looking at. This is what I have. Off of
Yeah,
Forex
I'm looking at-
Factory.
What the fuck?
Fuck 2 degrees.
Weird.
Fuck is this 2 degrees? What kind of fucking economy is this, huh?
Yep, never mind.
Yeah, okay.
Delete that indicator.
Delete that indicator. It's 2 degrees.
I was just wondering how he got that to work the other day. And I was like, well, it doesn't work. That's how.
It actually randomly generates it.
Random generated news.
Random generated news. Today is a red folder day. No trades. Okay. So,
That's good.
how to limit your trade selection in 101. Yeah, today's a red day. My indicator said I can't trade. It's like, okay, fuck. Let's see. It's in this previous hourly high. To this guy right there. Okay, so we swept that. Price is below it. No displacement necessarily. On the 5, at least. And you have these 2 little ugly lows right here. It's like cute. 25,173. Let's see if that CISD breaks. Biggest thing is that 15-minute CSD and this 12-hour level that we're watching here. These, like we said, these 2 little lows look pretty cute. 25,173. If they want to give that to us, they're fucking gripping it. Look at that SFB holding the 1 minute. Fair value gap on the 1 minute too. This guy right there. See, need 15-minute and about 2 minutes here. Let's see what the fuck they want to do out here. Depending on how this 15-minute closes. Where's that New York session? Get rid of that. Session, New York session. Oh, NQ. Oh, NQ. Look at that 4 hour right there's that closed. Damn, there's your outside 4. It's crazy. The amount of outside candles we've had in this past week is fucking insane.
Insane.
It's 15 almost got an outside. I'm just jamming out here. I forget they can't hear my music. They can't like double hear you on the stream. Of Forex Factory. See how they want to close this 15-minute. Okay. Putting the floodgates up.
After extensive review, I think Alpaca offers better API data than Polygon for free.
Interesting. Alpaca, don't they have you do an account though with them?
You don't have to fund it. You just have to verify with your ID and stuff.
Oh, okay. That's good to know.
Yep.
Alpaca.
Crypto and stocks, just not futures.
Does it do options data?
I don't know.
DLTR or it's DLTR alert. What is DLTR? What is this DLTR alert? I'm kidding. Oh, there she is. Just getting to it. Get a DLTR.
Keep going.
Mm-hmm. She's cranking.
How about DG? Yep, DG. Look, if DG pops the 786 and 106.65 level, it looks really.
Yep, DG2. Dollar General and Dollar Tree. Those dollars. How are they even fucking publicly traded companies? What is their revenue?
Oh no.
It sounds like just the Eshes market. So you
Yeah,
just
probably.
expired ass shit.
Pretty much.
Yo. Fresh produce.
Better get money.
Fresh produce. So fresh, so clean. Just monitoring the situation out here. Look at that. The way that 15 closed, right? We did close below that. But now, obviously, price is getting that expansion to the upside right now. So, see, they just swept this high right there. They get back below this hourly. That's what pretty much we want to see right there. All right. If you guys are looking for shorts, that would be the level that price needs below to see something happen. You can see on the 1 minute we displaced this fair value gap right there. All right, kind of held that SFP, held that 12-hour level. That's what we look for, right? Those 12-hour levels. That's why we outline. That's why we have those on our charts. It's freaking cold here today. Probably end the stream at the top of the hour in a few, just to see how this next hourly opens up and what they want to do, and then fuck right off. Gotta make some breakfast after. So I'm just gonna wait for this next hourly to open up and then fuck off. Go make some breakfast. Bitcoin. Banana. Fucking crazy. Bloom SPX. Bloom got fucking... See, it's like these pops and then you just get shit on. SBX above that CSD doesn't look bad. Bom, 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 bom. There's a macro. Don't want to do. It's nasty right there. That blunt old candle right there. Previous monthly mid. Previous monthly 50% here. Do it. Close your long. He close it long. He love you long time. I'll be transparent. I took some shorts. At 15, like, it's just maybe I'm wrong, you know. But this SFB right there, and the way this 15 blunty was looking, rejection of that previous monthly middle too. I think combined, but new 4 hours opening up in 7 minutes. That's why we're just staying patient here. Nothing huge. You're gonna do so much winning. You're gonna get tired of winning. You're gonna keep on winning. You're gonna say, stop, I'm tired of winning. Trump to crypto traders. Let's see, there's that, right? That hourly retest. That's kind of what we're watching right now. Or that London range retest right now. So we're watching. It's an important level for us. No, they did leave a lot of wicks on the downside here. That's my only beef right there for longs. So continuations and all, but liquidities are liquidities. They don't always come back and retrace to them, right? But as a this is something to watch on the downside. It's always good to know where you're going on both sides. In my opinion, this is a macro. During macros, they typically like to retrace price into some area where, you know, when the next candle opens up and it's not inside the macro, they'll just pump it out of there. It happens every macro, like right there, right? There's your pullback, then we bounce out of it. Continuation macro typically gives you that downside right there. Continuation. Sure, we can look at plenty of these macros out here. There's the macro as well, right? You can see that retrace to the upside and then to the downside right here, right into the OTE of that previous leg to the upside. Then we reverse. So macros are and those little points where market can reverse and just hunt liquidities. Something to watch for, at least from what I've noticed. Doesn't happen every time. You have to be very picky with it, right? It's always comes down to context. It's like, okay, well, where's price currently, and where can it just like retrace to for the next higher time frame open? Because it happens 10 minutes before the previous candle open, 10 minutes, or yeah, 10 minutes before, 10 minutes after. So it's pretty much like that 20-minute window where they're seeking something. Let's see what the fuck they're gonna do over here. Keeps holding that 15-minute CISD. Legs are fucking sore. A video of Trump where he's like, like, oh man. The recent turn of events, it makes sense. That's a nasty little rejection there. I still need to get through that CISD. 50, they don't have to come down all the way. Just 3 minutes still left in the market for the hourly candle. Previous monthly mid. Right, there's that bouncing on the 12-hour level again. They can do go into the next hour and maybe sweep bottoms and then continue to the top, giving us a open low, high closed. This 4 hour still just kind of a little undecided, right? Like I said, they don't have to come back all the way down to grab any kind of liquidities. They can just continue doing what the fuck they're doing. I already have finance juice pulled up. Damn. Let's go 380 mil. 28 man. Yes, Chicago PMI actual 36. Chicago PMI, whatever that means. Where's that previous hourly low? 25,168. Oh, that's right at that level. Oh, shit. Let's see. See if they want to get that 25,173. Come on. Nice. Nice. That was solid. Okay. Oh, that was it. That was my trading day. We're fucking off now. Was that something that we talked about? I said there's that previous monthly high. Like to do those manipulations. All right. That will do it for today. Thank you guys for watching. Thank you for hanging out with us. Appreciate you. I love you. As always, make sure you check out Mr. Hazed at Hazed Beats. And we will see you on the next one. There's that 8 a.m. There, look at that hourly discussion to the downside. All right. All right. Thank you, guys. Appreciate you. Love you. Deuces.